Hi, I'm here with Eric. Eric's on the left and Ron's on the right from E-Chx, the IT guys here.
E-Chx is a outsourced payroll company. We do payroll for small, medium businesses. Basically, our primary product is a Citrix-based application that we push out to our end users that allows them to log in, process their payroll, upload all their hours, wages, and they press the magic button, and 2 days later they get all their paychecks in the mail and hand them out to everyone that they need to hand out to. We do tax filing for all of our customers as well. We're based out of Rochester, New York, and our IT is based here out of Atlanta, Georgia. I guess the biggest hassle for a small business with 15 to 20 employees would be keeping on top of all the hours, the wages, the deductions, taxes is a big nightmare for a lot of our customers. So basically what we do is we take all that off their shoulders. They basically give us the hours, we take care of the rest. So I believe we have customers in all 50 states. I even think we have Alaska and Hawaii now. We have offices in New York, California, Chicago, Atlanta, but we do service people in all 50 states.
Yeah, at first there was some issues with getting the network running correctly with iSCSI, but after those issues were worked out and we actually did move the databases onto the EqualLogic array, things got better very quickly.
We had found that one of the key issues we were having when we first had it into development and testing was more, we had a problem with our network controller, just wasn't flow control. I believe it was flow control, just it wasn't getting set. It appeared to be set, but it just, the results from going into the array and really pulling the information out just told us no matter what our controller was telling us in the server that it wasn't actually working. So once we got that worked out, we switched up to some different network cards and it works fine now.
It's been good. We hadn't had any hiccups or anything happen as far as reliability, and actually I think we feel a lot better about the state of the systems now just because of the snapshots, and we're doing other things besides the snapshots in regards to backups, several other things, but the snapshots just give us the ability to restore the database so quickly that we feel really good about that, and also just being able to clone it and have an exact copy of the database for development within a matter of seconds. That's been a huge advantage.
Yeah, I find that with other database customers, the volume cloning is just really great feature.
It is, and I mean it can happen within a matter of minutes.
Mm-hmm. So what do you do that to get a working copy of the database for test purposes, or?
Yes, exactly, and there was actually one case too in January where we wanted to keep for long term a snapshot of the database just in case we needed to go back and look at basically tax information from that point in time. So basically, we just clone the volume, and we've got it sitting out there on the sand. But it was a matter of clicking a button, and then it was done. But yeah, if we need to test development data or whatever, we can just clone it and have it readily available within, like I said, within a matter of minutes.
Yeah, the January issues, we right when being a payroll company, we send out our W-2s to all of our customers. We just like to go ahead and just make a clone of the database at that point that is an identical copy to the way that the state of the database was when we generated all the W-2s. So if there's any question with any customer that, hey, this data might not have been right on the W-2, we can go back and pinpoint exactly what that data was supposed to be.
So besides SQL Server, what other kinds of applications do you have shares?
Yeah, right now we have some other backups that we're doing onto the SAN, and then we have some file shares. But we're getting ready to move a big Oracle database onto the SAN. We're getting ready to move Exchange databases onto the EqualLogic SAN, and we're probably in the next 6 months we're going to be moving quite a few VMware virtual machines to the SAN. So we're still work in progress as far as moving everything over. But the first thing that we moved over, the SQL Server databases, that was the most critical thing, and that was the area that was causing us the most pain. So we've felt so much relief there. Now we're looking at other areas where we could use, some relief, or just like with the Exchange and the other database, just have the ability to do those snapshots that we don't have the ability to do that now. So.
Eric and I both have experience with other, large array manufacturers, and we're a very small IT shop here. So the fact that we set up our storage and just kind of let it run, we go in and check on it every once in a while, and no surprises. It's just, it's easy to manage for a small shop, and then even if you're a large shop, if you have a lot of it, I would imagine it wouldn't get much more complex. So we're really happy with the purchase, and looking to buy another one here in June, hopefully. Well, don't tell the budgeting people I said that.
Great. Thanks, Eric. Thanks, Ron.